Choosing the right Linux distribution for gaming can be confusing, as many options promise top performance but differ greatly in stability, customization, and ease of use. First up is Nobara Linux, created by Glorious Eggroll, the developer behind Proton GE. Nobara is based on Fedora but heavily optimized for gaming right out of the box. It ships with pre-tuned kernels, bleeding-edge graphics drivers, and all the codecs and performance tweaks that normally take hours to set up manually. Nobara is a mutable system, meaning you have full freedom to modify it using traditional package managers like DNF. This makes it ideal for users who want a no-nonsense, DIY-friendly setup where they stay in full control. Tools like the Nobara tweaks utility automate common pain points, such as fixing drive permissions, so you spend less time troubleshooting and more time gaming. Next is Bazzite, which takes a completely different approach. Bazzite is an immutable operating system, meaning the core system is locked down for stability, and updates are delivered as atomic images. Think of it as a Chrome OS-style experience, designed specifically for gamers. If an update causes issues, you can simply roll back to a previous version with a reboot. Bazzite also includes Steam Gaming Mode, offering a console-like interface perfect for couch gaming, along with full support for handheld PCs like the ROG Ally. It comes packed with pre-installed tools such as Lutris, Waydroid for running Android apps, and Decky Loader for Steam Deck-style plugins, making it a true install-and-play solution. So which one should you choose? If you're a power user who loves tweaking, customizing, and having full system control, Nobara is the better fit. But if you'd rather spend your time playing games instead of configuring your system, Bazzite delivers a polished, console-like experience with rock-solid updates. Both are free, both offer excellent performance that often surpasses Windows, and either one can be a fantastic choice depending on how hands-on you want your gaming setup to be.